It's funny, we spend so much time just thinking about, like, how to achieve it well. I think I may have said it a little bit earlier. I think if you can risk, like, having the human not aware of what's happening and why, and the problem that that will present is will erode trust in the technology. So it's a problem in the sense that, like, if that's out there and being used, it will cause like a bad conflict between sort of like what the human is expecting and perceiving and what the machine is doing, right? So like you have to design your systems from a point of view of like trust being the most important thing. Otherwise you're like, it's hard to regain trust, right? It's like, it's not a 2 steps forward, 1 step back. It's like 2 steps forward, 5 steps back, right? Like, and you'll see people kind of hack their way around not using that piece of tech. And the military is littered with people, using their own kind of version of like getting a job done and kind of ignoring the thing that was supplied to them. So we have to be very careful with that, I think. Yeah, and then obviously, like, whenever new technology is brought in, it's life and death in certain situations, right? And you have to be thinking about that from as many angles as you can. And it's why even within like sort of the speed that defense moves, which is slow for good reason, to make sure that we are making the right decisions, you have to be like iterating very quickly within those cycles and learning a lot to make sure that like this is really going to work in the field when someone needs it to work, So there's no change there. It's just as the speed of tech moves, that speed of iteration moves more quickly as well, right? So, whenever there's new technology, for all of the great things it brings, you have to be sure that you're not failing in like obvious ways, So you have to test quickly, I would say.